Top 5 Best Strategies to Learn English Faster and Smarter. Today we will learn top 5 best strategies that will help us in English learning, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. Learning English can feel difficult, but the truth is, it doesn't have to be. Most people struggle not because they are bad at learning, but because they don't use the right strategies. In this video, I will share with you the top 5 proven strategies to learn English faster, smarter, and with more confidence. Whether you are just starting out or already have some experience, these tips will help you become more fluent and comfortable with English in your daily life. 1. Make English part of your daily routine. One of the biggest mistakes new learners make is trying to study English only once or twice a week. But like any other skill, language needs daily practice. You don't have to study for hours, just 15 to 30 minutes a day is enough. For example, in the morning, learn 3 new words. In the afternoon, listen to a short English podcast or video. At night, write 2 or 3 simple sentences about your day. Small efforts every day are more powerful than long study sessions once a week. 2. Use the input and output method. Many learners focus too much on input, watching videos, reading books, and listening to audio, but forget about output, speaking and writing. A good strategy is to balance both. After watching an English video, try to talk about what you learned in your own words. After reading an article, write a short summary. This method helps you think in English, remember vocabulary better, and build real confidence in speaking and writing. 3. Focus on topics that interest you. Learning English becomes much easier when you study topics you care about. If you love football, watch interviews or match commentary in English. If you enjoy cooking, watch recipe videos in English. When the topic is interesting, your brain pays more attention, and you learn faster without feeling bored or tired. Choose content that feels fun, not forced. 4. Don't fear mistakes, they help you grow. Many learners are afraid of speaking English because they don't want to make mistakes. But mistakes are not a problem, they are a part of the learning process. The best English speakers were once beginners who made many errors. If you're not making mistakes, you're not learning. So speak with your friends, write your ideas, ask questions, just keep using the language. Each time you make a mistake and correct it, your brain gets stronger. 5. Build your own English world. Surrounding yourself with English is one of the most effective strategies. Try to turn your environment into an English learning space. Change your phone settings to English. Use English subtitles when watching shows. Follow English creators on social media. Listen to music or audiobooks in English. Label items in your room in English if you need to. The more you see and hear English around you, the faster your brain adapts and starts thinking in English naturally. Conclusion. These 5 strategies: daily practice, balanced input and output, interesting content, learning from mistakes, and building an English environment can change the way you learn forever. They are simple, but powerful. Learning a new language takes time, but with these methods, you can make steady and enjoyable progress every single day.